Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Street Trading coming at you with today's trade ideas video. It is the 23rd of September 2021. Looking at an hourly chart of SPY. Let's get right into it. So the gap has been filled in the ETF. That 100-day moving average on the daily is the new 50 so far in 2021. Got tested and had a pretty strong bounce off that slaughter on Monday, coming off that Evergrande China news about defaulting on their loans. We'll see what happens with that stuff, but nonetheless, the market bounced back so far. All right, let's just keep it like that. Obviously, are we looking all-time highs again? Reclaiming the 50, reclaiming 20, reclaiming all that. That might be a stretch, but nonetheless, the gap has been filled, and we are quote unquote back to last Friday's prices. But again, there was a pretty deep sell-off into that Monday's kind of cliff dive. Interestingly enough, the market kind of led up into that. So what does that tell you? Look a little deeper, guys. All right, there are those that know. Anyway, the market pushed up yesterday, continued this morning. It's still very early in the pre-market, but ETF is up just shy of 2.5 points and climbing. Should be an interesting session. We had a lot of nice bounces in yesterday's session. A lot of dip buyers came in and bought up some securities that were in their demand zones, and they obviously had that spring trap and had that reversal. So anybody that got caught in that should have known better. Be patient, guys. This stuff like that happens all the time. So prices are pushing higher, demands are holding. Whether we're going to continue to push higher or not remains to be seen. We have 7 on our watch going into today's pre-market session. We will chop it down as we get closer to that bell, and then furthermore into that 10, from the 9:30 to 10, like we always do. Yesterday was a solid session for us. Off our weekly, finally came. We were early. We weren't wrong, just early. We got a couple off the weekly, got some new ones, got some continuations. So let's get into what we're looking at for today's session, both to the upside and downside, and talk levels and game plan. All right, guys, let's get into it.